Space. Since the beginning of time, man has looked up at the sky and wondered what lay out there. We soon discovered it was a vast universe dotted with galaxies, illuminating the darkness. Within those galaxies, small solar systems, and within those, planets of varying histories of how they became formed and what they are made of. As we have explored our solar system, we have learned interesting facts about the inner planets. We have taken a trip to Jupiter and learned about its place as the largest planet in the solar system. However, now it's time to explore Saturn, a planet with a unique set of characteristics that help it to make its mark amongst the celestial beings. Saturn was formed around 4.6 million years ago, when the solar nebula was beginning to become a star. When the Sun formed, its solar winds burned off gases such as hydrogen and helium away from the inner planets, leaving heavier elements to coalesce into what would become the terrestrial planets, such as Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth. In the outer parts of the solar system, the cores formed quickly, and since the solar wind's effectiveness isn't that strong past the asteroid belt, the gases started to get pulled into Saturn's orbit. It's unknown what the physical surface of the gas giants looks like, because it's very difficult for probes to land there and transmit data. But we are aware there is some sort of large core, keeping the gases in orbit of the object. Saturn is comprised of 94% hydrogen and 6% helium, as well as small traces of methane and ammonia. Many scientists do not believe Saturn will be hospitable for life. Saturn's many moons may contain life, however, that we have not discovered. Titan is Earth-like in its features, and many of Saturn's 62 confirmed moons have water in large sheets of ice. This water means that life could be made possible on these moons. Saturn as well produces 2.3 times the energy that the Sun gives it, giving it some type of heat to warm the moons that surround it. Saturn's atmosphere is comprised almost entirely of hydrogen gas and helium, and these gases keep the temperature on the planet consistently low. They create bands similar to that on Jupiter, and help to produce some of the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching 1,100 miles per hour. As well, Saturn also contains sheets of ice, though some in the form of poisonous gases, such as ammonia. Saturn is 890 million miles away from the Sun, and 746 miles away from Earth, hardly our closest neighbor. It takes Saturn roughly 30 years on Earth to make one orbit around the Sun, and the average Saturn day is 10 hours on Earth. Saturn is a unique planet, full of interesting and wild things to learn about, and it certainly has distinguished itself here in our solar system.